kitchen today. I got Alex with me. Say hi, Alex.
Hey, everyone.
Hi. So Amy's at work, and I found a good deal on some ribs. So we're going to put some ribs in the slow cooker, and I want everybody to see exactly how easy it is to make ribs without having to have a barbecue. Because, I mean, it really sucks having to do that.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, these are pretty big ribs.
And you can make ribs without having a barbecue.
Oh, it's the biggest waste of time. Like, seriously, guys, you do not need to do that. I promise you, it's just not worth it. It's a two-part process. I'm going to use this for about 4 hours. And unfortunately, I won't have Alex or Amy with me the whole way because, well, Alex has a Billy Idol concert.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
So I'm going to dump a little bit of vinegar in here. Now, I'm not going to put a whole lot of spice in here, and that would be a little foolish. Why? Because, well, adding spice to that right now, you're not going to have a whole lot of flavor to it. When you come out, it's going to go into, most of the spice is going to go in here. This is more the liquid part of it. You know, I wish that my lovely wife would leave things where I had them. I'm going to put a little bit of rice wine vinegar in here, and I might have to skip this because I don't know where it is.
You looking for the beef broth?
No. You know what mine is? It should be. Found it.
Apple cider vinegar?
Apple cider vinegar. I cooked with this way more than you'll ever know. It is really, really awesome.
Bit of mustard?
A little bit of mustard. This is a fast, easy process. You really don't believe how quick this goes. You don't have to do a whole lot for these guys. You really don't. Now, take a glass. And we're going to start filling this with water. It's almost like it's boiling in there, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's going to tenderize them, and the whole reason we're doing this is I could just stick this in the oven right now and start cooking, put everything on here, but you know what? The problem is it's not going to be as tender. You want to tenderize this without having to take a hammer and beating the living crap out of it. That's absolutely worthless. You don't need to do that. And this is just going to give it so much more flavor to it.
If you cook it in a slow cooker first, like if you boil it first, it'll give it more flavor, but it will also make the bone fall right out once you put it in the oven.
Absolutely, because you know what? I don't know about you guys, but in a last little secret, liquid smoke. And again, guys,
that stuff's really good.
It's amazing, but don't put a lot in.
Yeah.
That's probably a little more than I wanted, but that's it. So we're going to stick this on here. Because when we take this out, we put in the oven, we want people to take the bone right out and not have to fight with the meat. Taste the ribs, not the bone. Unless you're eating, you probably like that.
From Five Guys.
Yeah, definitely. So please hit the like, share, subscribe button. We'll be back in about 4 hours. Welcome back. So this is Chef Paul, and by myself. Amy's at work, and Alex is at a Billy Idol concert. So these are my ribs, and they're done. So all I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to be putting my sauce on here, and you might be able to find this in the ethnic aisle, and it's basically banana sauce, otherwise known as banana ketchup. and I'm going to put this on 350 for 20 minutes. 10 minutes, I'm going to come back out and I'm going to flip, and I'm going to put it in for the last 10 minutes, and then I'll take it out and we'll show you what they look like. I think Amy's really going to like this. She thinks I'm going to do this tomorrow, but I really don't feel like it, so I'll just get this done now. So we'll be back. Welcome back. So we're at the end here, and here's our ribs. It's pretty basic, and this proves that making ribs can be really simple, really easy, and not that challenging. So all we're really doing here is, number one, we're boiling or slow cooking over a slow period of time. We slow cook this in a high temperature for 4 hours. We took it out, we put it on a pan, and we put some sauce on it. I used banana sauce, which is like a banana ketchup, and basically 10 minutes per side on 450 degrees in the oven. Really basic, real simple. If I actually had somebody here help me film, I'd actually take the meat right off right in front of you. But those bones are going to come right out. When you boil or you slow cook, those bones just come right out and make things so much better. And I'm telling you, this is going to be an awesome rib meal. Amy, when you go to work tomorrow, you're going to enjoy this. But anyways, thanks for tuning in. Hit that like, share, subscribe button. We really appreciate you being here, and have a great day.